what do you keep living? You got one pink sleeve on the left, and one rolled up, one not. But it matches her outfit.
I'm taking your picture. Yes, I am.
Yeah, so am I.
All right, Eleanor, let's get in the car.
Hold on, hold on.
Can you say goodbye to Uncle Bob and
Say bye-bye.
Grandma Gigi?
Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Did she wave?
I don't know.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye-bye-bye.
Grab that button.
Okay, goodbye.
Bye-bye. Hey, Eleanor.
Okay.
It's so cute.